Hello guys and welcome to today's trade recap. I know guys, I know it's been a while and I didn't do a video yesterday. I think also the day before yesterday. And shit, I didn't post any short video. And I didn't do the trade recap. And also today's trade. But bro, I have an excuse. And don't tell me don't fucking do an excuse bro, because I'm literally about to die. Like, bro, all of the things is ahead of me. Like, I started working in the day and during the night also as well. Fuck that fucking job, bro. I hate it so much. I work during the day and during the night. It's like not even a full-time job. It's already a fucking all day long job. What the fuck? Like, actually, bro, like yesterday, I worked the whole evening, the whole night from 2 p.m. till 11 p.m. And today I worked from 7 a.m. till 3 p.m. Like, bro, what the actual fuck is this fucking thing, bro? I can't take it anymore. But, despite that, yesterday I took a winning trade. But I don't feel like the trade anymore. This trade of today's video, if of today's, not from yesterday's. Today I took this trade and I'm still waiting for this to hit TP, and hopefully it hits TP. Now, right now my stop loss is at break even. I'll do the recap after this trade. Hit break even, stop me out at break even, or take like hit full TP. But I will open now another chart of GBP GPY. So hold on. Go to GBP GPY. I'm gonna explain now the trade of yesterday, why I did took it in the first place. But before we head on to the video, please guys, don't forget to smash up the like button and to hit that fucking subscribe button, bro. Please, let's hit 250 legends already, bro. Come on, bro. And also, I want to mention something, which is the Discord server. It's 100% free. I share with you every single thing of my market ideas, of my trade ideas, what I'm looking for, my buys for the day. I explain everything. Like, look, I do the screenshot and I explain everything. I do the screenshot, then I explain everything. Like, look, from yesterday's trade, I opened the chart at 11 a.m. and I told you invalidate the 15-minute gap. Entry signal there, still waiting for price action to come. I'm looking to take longs, but I'm not a fan of this price action. But then if when I saw this setup forming, like I saw the price retracing back into my continuation confluences, and then I saw my model is getting played out, so I jumped right away into the trade. I sent this trade while I was in my 9 to 5 job, or not even a 9 to 5 job. I just like to call it a 9 to 5. But then, boom, I was like fucking putting water in the fridge at the grocery store. As I checked my phone, boom, take profit hit. The best feeling ever, to be honest. But no, I'm capping, because I don't feel trades anymore. Like, literally, job killed I don't have emotions anymore, bro. Like, this is the stage that I reached. I don't look at the charts with emotions whatsoever. When I lose a trade, I fucking say whatever, what the fuck it is. When I win a trade, same exact thing. When I hit break even on the trade, when I miss a trade, I went through it all. Now I can't even have the I don't have emotions anymore. Like, genuinely, I don't have any fucking emotions anymore with any dude, with any girl, with any fucking, with any friend, with no fucking thing. I don't have emotions anymore. Fuck it. Like, literally, fuck it. I reached the stage where I say, fuck it all. I don't care. I'm gonna work. I'm gonna do what I'm supposed to do, and that's it. I'm gonna see the results eventually, if there is good or a bad. So, also today I explained every single thing about the trade, gave you exactly where I entered. And then I told you I'm going to set my CP, my stop loss at break even once we hit this level. Then once we hit that, boom, Also, I do some recaps. I do every single thing about my trade recap. So this from the trade of yesterday. TP hit. At first I was not going to take the trade because of price action, but then I saw instead of forming, then I entered the trade. The trade was about sweeping out the Asian session lows, the bit liquidity when breaking the structure to the upside, and then from the 15-minute time frame continuation confluences, like 15-minute fair value gap breaker block, and then on the 5-minute time frame we'll break the structure again, and then was my entry signal. So I'm going to explain it now on the charts. So hold tight. So let's go to the hourly time frame. This video is going to be a little bit longer, so help me on that, please. So this was about today's analysis. Don't care about that much. So when we go to Tuesday, we set our session windows. So let's go 8 and then 1 p.m. So I'm gonna go every single thing. So hold on. We did ended up taking this low, and then if we go, I'm not going to explain it very deeply, bro, because like it happened so fast. So we did took out these lows, and then what do we had? The hourly time frame. What the hourly time frame is looking for? So we had these highs. And then if we go this one, the 50% mark, not this one, the 15-minute time frame, we had these highs. That was my TP, and yeah, that's it. So at the start of London session, we come down, we swept out these lows, we took out the Asian session lows, and then we come up, we broke the structure on the 15-minute time frame. Then I scaled down to the 5-minute time frame. We have this fair value gap. Hold on, not the 15-minute time frame. Then when I scale down to the 5-minute time frame, hold on. When I scale down to the 5-minute time frame, hold on, let me see my entry. Where was it? So not this one. I kept waiting, so I entered basically on 12. Let's see what we have at 12. So right here, I didn't catch this entry signal, so I kept waiting because I didn't like price action at all. We were in a lower time frame bearish structure, so the volume was very bullish. I waited for price action. I waited for it to build price action, and then I kept waiting. Price action was not very good. I literally told you that. Hold on. I told you that I was not a fan of this price action because it was very choppy and I couldn't find any shit. So I kept waiting. So with that, if we go into the 15-minute time frame, we can see that we have a fucking order cock. We have order block. So after we hit the order block and we took out these lows, and also we took out these lows, what did happen? I scaled out to the 5-minute time frame, and then I just simply looked for a break of structure on the 5-minute, and more likely a market structure shift. So we have a market structure shift right here, break of structure right here. The 5-minute candle closed above this one. I didn't have to go to the 1-minute time frame because this was actually a good entry level, and also a good sign of turn up into the short-term order flow. So we changed the structure to bullish, and we changed the volume to bullish, and everything looks bullish. Boom, entered right there. Where was my stop loss? My stop loss were below these lows. Where my TP was, boom, at these highs. Not this one. Hold on, let me remember. My stop loss was not at these lows. I pretty much think that it was a 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. So it was right below this one. Oh, I remember it. You see this 5-minute fair value gap, boom, my stop loss below that fair value gap, boom, 1 to 2.4 risk to reward. Very beautiful trade. My one and only take profit was at these 15-minute highs. I saw this is the only high that we have on the 15-minute, and also on the 1 hour, and also the 5-minute, and also the 4 hour. We have only this up candle of this downfall move. Boom, I targeted that, and my bias was right. my trade was right, my idea for the trade was right, and my entry signal was right, and my entry level was right, my TP, my stop loss was all good. So this was actually, let me see if we had a, hold on, what do we had? I'm looking if we had an SMT. Yeah, I think yeah, I'm pretty sure that we had. So this was, hold on, this one, no, this one, on these lows, these highs, and on these highs. Oh no, I'm wrong, I was wrong. So we didn't have an SMT, but the trade was bullish because on the 4-hour and also on the daily time frame we were bullish. We are still trading in a bullish uptrend. We still didn't broke the structure right here. As you can see, we did broke the structure right here, but we did not make a market structure shift or a change of character, so I can change my perspective of the overall bias to set it. So I don't know why my flashlight just closed, so hold on. Sorry about that, my phone just closed the flashlight because now it's very hot. The phone become very hot, so it needs to cool down, so it closed the flashlight automatically. So fuck that bullshit. I don't have a camera, I film with my iPhone, so that's it. I film with my iPhone camera. So yeah, that's it for this trade, for yesterday trade. This was a very beautiful trade, very aligned with my bias for the day, and it was a very cool trade. And yeah, I'm happy to took it, because I took it. I feel like these days I'm looking for the chart for as little as 1 hour or even less, let's say half an hour or even 1.5 hours, and then I find my setup really quick and I take the decision really quick, and I see and adapt of the price action. If I see if it was good, if it was bad, if it's fitable. Sorry about that, my dad just entered the room. So I told you that I see and adapt what the price action is doing. So I see my setup, I enter. I don't see my setup, I don't enter. I don't risk that much. But then I followed every single rule of mine. So I trade with the trend, I trade with the higher time frame trend, I trade with my model, and I stay patient. I wait for my setup. I don't just enter like that like I was before. I wait for the fair value gap to get filled. I wait for the order block to get filled, and then I scale down to the lower time frame. I wait for the lower time frame to break the structure and to invalidate the opposite order flow, and then yeah, I enter the trade. Why wouldn't I enter the trade? So yeah, that's it for today's video, man. I hope you guys benefit from this video. Make sure you guys drop the like, fucking subscribe, because we are about to hit 250 subscribers before the end of June. And yeah, that's it, guys. If you are interested to join the Discord, it's 100% for free. Just click in the link in the bio or in the description, whatever you want. You will find the invite link. Just go onto the Discord and let's build a good community based off of that. You can guys also start posting your trade ideas, your market buys, or even ask questions to help each other, like communicate and create this good community of traders. Because in my trading journey, I really didn't have anybody to talk trading with. I was every time like I was alone in my fucking bedroom looking at the charts by myself. I never had the chance to talk with anybody about the trades. I didn't enter in any single community of trading because I didn't like them, and I don't like to be one of them. And yeah, I just traded on my own and did the shit on my own. So I will be happy if you guys join the Discord and we can chat. We can start chatting together and help each other grow. And for the guys who think I'm selling something at the Discord, fuck no. I'm not selling any fucking VIP fucking lounge or something, bro. Just enter and fucking let's make this shit banger, bro. Fuck that shit. I already work my fucking 9 to 5 to gain money. While fucking do that shit. Also, I told you in the first place, I am not a guru. I'm not a course seller. I'm not a fucking nobody. Not nobody. I'm not fucking no mentor. I am not a mentor, bro. Look at this. I'm documenting my journey over YouTube. I am not a mentor. I'm still not in that position yet, but I will be. I will be. But for this time, I'm still learning. I'm still adapting. I'm still sure I had a long time of experience in this trading journey. I had almost now 2 years of experience. So yeah, that's it for today's video, man. I hope you guys like the video and subscribe. Peace out, boys.